Alright, yo, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamal Lee and this is Blessed Investments. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's get into it. So in today's video, I just want to talk about a tripod holder for the Z Fold 3 that works really well in my usage. You know, I was looking really hard trying to find something that could fit the phone because obviously it's a big phone, right? So I was looking at like tablet holders and stuff like that. And a lot of the tablet holders are just too big. Like the minimum size that they can hold is just, you know, often times too big for the Z Fold 3. So I was looking for things that fit the Z Fold 3 perfectly, and like, yeah. So anyways, I found something that was really nice, and it has a cold shoe mount at the top of it, and then it has two different slots where you can screw on, you know, different things, or screw the holder itself on in different orientations. So you can do quite a bit with it, so many different options and things that you can do with it. And then it also comes with a few accessories. So one of the accessories is this thing right here. You can screw this onto the holder, and then you can screw this and the holder onto the tripod, and then boom, now all of a sudden you're able to maneuver your phone on the tripod in different ways, and it just allows you to get different angles, different types of shots if you want to. I think this is a really cool addition to this tripod holder, and it makes, you know, owning this and buying this that much more worth it. And then next up is this accessory here. It comes with another screw so that you can connect the tripod holder itself to this base, and then you can either sit it flat on a table, and then yeah, when you attach the tripod holder to this, you can also attach this now to a tripod itself. And then what you can do with this is you can turn the phone in different directions, because this allows you to put the phone in different orientations while holding it. So I think it's really cool. There's a lot that you can do with it. There's a lot of versatility, and you know, just in my use using it, it's very solid. Like, I'm not scared of my phone falling off. It's on, my phone is on it right now as I'm talking in this video right here. And yeah, I'm not too scared of it falling off. It holds my phone pretty solidly, and I can do so many different things with it, so many different angles, so many different ways of holding it. And you know, I can put different accessories on it because of the extra screw hole. I don't know all the technical terms, but yeah, it has two holes, one on the back of it itself and one at the bottom for basic connectivity to a tripod. And yeah, it's just really nice. It's all standard screws and holes, so you can use it for like almost any camera accessories. And it also, when you're first like using it, it doesn't extend all the way long enough to be a tablet holder, so you have to press the red button to make it extend its second hinge mechanism or whatever, and then that makes it longer, and then you're able to fit tablets and the Z Fold 3 in it, and then you close it up and then you can use it for phones and stuff like that. So it's very versatile. You can use a lot of different devices on it, but I got it for the Z Fold 3 and it works perfectly fine. That is this video. Thank you for watching it. If you watched this far, then thank you so much, and hope you have a good day. That's it for now. We out. Peace.